How's it going, Mechatronic Capstone students? This is Tim here. I hope you're all doing well as best as possible, and you have a chance to relax or take care of yourselves. Look, this is week number 3. Everyone is doing a pretty good job. I'm happy with it, the work so far. Um, so this is what I want you to do. You're gonna have a week. It's Wednesday today. I'm going to give you till Wednesday midnight a week from now to finish this challenge. You're going to go to open Scenes Converge Station. Okay? And this is what you're going to get. As always, we want to just delete the safety, the screen. Just get that out of there. This is 2 stations, okay, that we want you to combine or converge onto 1 station. You're going to click on one of the emitters and you're going to bring this time down to 4 and you're going to bring this min time down to 1. Basically what that does is it simulates a very hard worker putting pallets, and they're not messing about, probably like Amazon is right around now, to be quite honest with you. So we're going to bring this right down to 4 and bring that down to 1. So both of our emitters are working overtime. Okay? I'll show you what this looks like. I'm going to go down to dock all tags and run this bad boy. And I'm going to turn on both conveyors. Okay? Now let's turn this off. If you want to add more sensors to this, you can. If I go here to palette window and I go down to sensors, I have a diffuse sensor. You know, if you need that, that's fine. I'd like you to keep. So I'm gonna give you the solution if I can figure it out around Saturday or Sunday. Okay, maybe Sunday. Okay, that's it. You're going to do, of course, you're going to do this in Control IO. Yeah, and look, if anyone wants to show off, there's your Control IO. Let's go back here for a second. If anyone wants to show off, I'd like these times to be here at the very least. And what you're going to do is you're going to combine them somehow. And you're going to use the buttons. Okay, start. I want the counter to count the packages coming onto the last conveyor. You don't need to use this manual to auto or this emergency stop. The reset will reset the counter. The stop will turn off the stop. That's your challenge for this week. An optional, if you want to show off, I'd like you to add. Let's have a look here. Is there a light tower anywhere? A column? What the hell is that? No, we don't want that. Is there a light tower? A warning device? Oh, look at this. What's this fancy thing? A warning light. I love it. Watch this. This is for extra points. I will give you an extra 20 points, which is a lot. Okay. Whenever we hit the start button, this is extra credit. Whenever I hit the start button, this thing is going to flash 5 times, 1 second a time. Flash, 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 flash. And then the system's going to start. Kind of like you did in your PLC class. Okay? If I hit the stop button, it does nothing. But this warning beacon will just tell an operator that the thing is going to start running. So it's going to flash for 5 seconds and then it starts to combine. Okay, if you get it to work, put it in the comments. Don't be shy. Show me a video of it in the comments without the Control IO solution. Okay, do you hear me? All right. Look, I hope you guys are all doing well. You know, appreciate you taking my phone calls. That's it. If you have any questions, I'll start reaching out to you, or email me. Okay. Take care of yourselves, and I'll talk to you later.